Well, when we talk about IoT, we primarily talk about sensors right now, right? That's the area of IoT that gets most interest. And you see that in insurance at many different levels. You see in commercial insurance that people track packages, companies track boats, companies track whatever you can put a sensor in. Car insurance, automobile insurance is an interesting one because it was one of the early adopters of IoT. Car manufacturers and their insurers are using it to make cars more safe, the actual machine data that comes out of the auto itself. And then usage is being used for underwriting and claims management. Specifically around machine learning, classically over the last couple of years, insurers have a lot of data, so they have embarked on machine learning paths, but machine learning still needs some sort of a human expertise on top of it. So we do offer a platform that enables them to do use cases around machine learning. Machine learning is helping people right now because it enables us to focus as humans on the truly interesting cases that do require our expertise and knowledge. Insurance has some really interesting use cases around image and image recognition. One is a claims example that for automotive claims, carriers look at prior losses and pictures thereof that quite often are being submitted as part of the claims file, right? And then based on the analysis of that picture, they predict what the amount of money is that they have to pay out on your claim. Out of the top 20 insurers in the world, 18 are Cloudera customers. And in total, we have over 100 insurance clients that are up and running on Cloudera that belong to the top segment of the insurance industry globally. The platform allows us to ingest and analyze streaming data, IoT data, and then deploy advanced analytics on top of them to learn.